Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, this is the Umuokpara ring road that is under construction. It's located in Umuahia, the Abia state capital. This road was flagged off the same day the Onimo to Abia Tower road was flagged off. It cuts across the entire Umuokpara from places like Umuahia Abia, and some other places within the Umuokpara axis. I'm going to be taking you guys on a ride so you can see the section of the road that work is currently going on. You can help me to share the video so that some other people can see and know what is going on in Umuokpara. The Umuokpara ring road reconstruction was officially flagged off on Wednesday, December 4, 2024 by Abia State Governor, His Excellency DR Alex Otti. The flag-off ceremony for the 6.92 km road project, which includes drains and solar power street lights, was held at the Umuahia Community Square. This project is very significant because the road had been long abandoned and in a state of disrepair for decades. That is, for many years, this road, this road, they fit pass this road. Plus erosion, we can't wind some part of the road now. But thank God for the reconstruction. At least all those erosions will be checkmated, all those places will be fixed. The road is going to be very okay, motorable. Because I wonder how people they live for this side before use their cars and what have you to be able to pass through this road. So this road was one of the most politicized roads in Abia, but the current governor said no more, that he's going to fix this road and deliver it before the next election. So if you are a politician and you come to Umuokpara to campaign for votes, you have to look for some other thing, some other problems that you are going to promise them that you are going to fix, as long as this particular road is concerned. I don't know, like stamp so before the next election. So if you check for the video from the beginning, you will notice that they have been pouring sands, sand where they say they won't use them do the road. They are still the ones that constructed this bridge. This bridge will they pass now. Now still them construct them. I'm going to tell you the construction company that is handling this project. They are really doing a very good job. You can see they are already constructing the drainage both sides, and it has gone far. It has gone very far. Okay, since AI talks say it's about everything where the app more ask AI say now which construction company they construct this road, more see what AI go tell us. So I don't see AI tell us in a girl construction company, but me I know this sure. I don't try and make I know the name of the construction company where they handle this project, but I never see find out. Me when next while I go there, I go follow the engineer's talk. I actually know the name of the construction company. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please kindly click the subscribe button and the notification bell above so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be notified. As you can see, the heavy duty machine is doing what it knows how to do best. You understand? By the time now this road reconstruction is over, and some other places where we have road constructions going on all over the state capital, when they are all completed, you are going to see the beauty of Umuahia, because obodo mama also mama, not just buildings. In which I find buildings may also make it as a sense. So yeah, something I'm going to show you guys in front of me ahead. So just kindly watch the video down to the end. Him nagi easy. We are now in Obodinibe. We have left Umuahia. We are in Obodinibe right now, and I'm taking you guys down where serious, massive work is going on.